It's another rainy day here in the Philippines. And honestly, rainy days makes me want to do absolutely nothing. I just want to stay inside, listen to the rain, and enjoy a slow day at home. Maybe it's the weather, or maybe I'm just looking for an excuse to be lazy. My cats were having the best days of their lives. They didn't have anything on their schedule either. I wasn't in the mood to clean or cook. I just wanted to enjoy the weather. But today I was craving champorado. I'm using brown rice, cocoa powder, and condensed milk. It's such a simple meal, but somehow it feels extra comforting on a rainy day. One thing I really love about living alone is having these little guys around. The house can be quiet, but it never really feels completely empty. They have somehow become part of my everyday routine. I wasn't in the mood to cook, so today we're not doing complicated recipes. Living alone has taught me to appreciate easy meals. The less effort and fewer dishes, the better. I decided to make paksiw. Nothing complicated today, just a few simple ingredients: garlic, ginger, pepper, and vinegar. So I just put everything in one pot, let it simmer, and that's pretty much it. We're doing the kind of cooking that's perfect for lazy people like me. If I can put everything in one pot and walk away, that's the recipe for me. There's something comforting about making food for yourself, even if it's something really simple. When you're living alone, you learn that you don't need a special occasion to make something you like. Sometimes you can just make it because you're craving it. Since I was already in the kitchen, I decided to make some lugaw too. I just boiled the rice with some garlic and ginger and let it cook until the rice becomes nice and thick. Once the consistency looks right, I add the chicken and chopped onion leaves for extra flavor. Then I just season it with salt and let everything simmer together. Since it was still raining outside, I decided to make myself comfortable and watch a Korean movie. Watching a good movie on a rainy day just feels different. And of course, I wasn't really watching alone. My cats decided to join me. They don't really understand what's happening on the screen, but somehow they always want to be wherever I am. Sometimes they'll sleep beside me. Sometimes they'll stare at the screen for a few seconds and then just go right back to sleep. But honestly, I love having them around. These quiet little moments are one of my favorite parts of living alone. My cats don't seem to mind the rain at all. They have their own little routine: sleep, eat, look outside the window, and sleep again. Sometimes I look at them and think, maybe they really figured life out. No deadlines, no emails, just naps. The rain finally stopped for a little while, so today I'm taking you guys outside with me. It's still a little cloudy and everything is wet from yesterday's rain. I'm not really going anywhere special today. I just wanted to get out of the house, get some fresh air, and bring you along with me. After spending most of yesterday inside, it feels really nice to finally be outside again. The air feels so fresh after the rain, and everything around the neighborhood looks a little cleaner and greener. Before the rain decides to come back, let's head home. This is my home. It may not be big and perfect, but this place means so much to me. I worked really hard to have this little space for myself. After a long and pretty slow day, I'm winding down at home with my cats. Tonight, I decided to watch a movie while editing this vlog. I guess tonight I have a little buddy. I thought he was already asleep, but he's been watching the movie the whole time. They each have their own little personalities, but they're also affectionate in their own ways. Tonight, I was craving something very simple: hot chocolate and pandesal. I don't know what is it about having something warm at night, especially when it's raining, but it just feels so comforting. I'm just heating up some pandesal because I like mine warm and slightly crispy. Since it has been raining, I can't really hang everything outside. You just have to find a way to make things work when it's raining. As the pandesal heats up, the warm, buttery smell slowly fills the kitchen. And because plain pandesal wasn't enough for me tonight, I'm adding some melt cheese inside. While enjoying my midnight snack, I've been thinking about my finances lately. I only have one job right now, and I worry about what I would do if I lost it. I know I need to start preparing. Maybe I should save more, learn new skills, and look for other opportunities. I don't have everything figured out, but I'll take it one step at a time. This is exactly what I was craving. Nothing fancy, just warm pandesal with melted cheese and a cup of hot chocolate. And now, back to my movie and editing. My cat just found this old toy in the room and decided that it's playtime. They sleep most of the day and then suddenly, nighttime comes and they're full of energy. Thank you so much for spending these rainy days with me. I hope this vlog gave you a little bit of comfort and cozy vibes wherever you are. If you enjoyed spending the day with me and my cats, don't forget to like and subscribe.